Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astra's ultimate ability, Cosmic Divide. This powerful ultimate creates a massive barrier across the map, blocking enemy vision, muffling sound, and even stopping bullets. Understanding its core functions is key to mastering Astra's unique map control. We'll focus on an easy method to deploy it effectively, helping you gain a significant advantage in your games. Let's get started. To deploy Cosmic Divide, first press X to enter Astra's astral form, giving you a full map view. While in this form, use your right-click button to begin aiming the wall, rotating it to cover your desired area. Finally, left-click twice to select the 2 points where the barrier will form. This simple sequence allows you to quickly establish a powerful tactical advantage on the battlefield. Cosmic Divide is incredibly versatile. On attack, use it to split a site, allowing your team to push safely and quickly. Defensively, it can block crucial enemy rotations or deny vision from key angles, buying valuable time. It's also excellent for creating a secure zone to defuse the spike, as the wall stops all incoming bullets. Think about how to isolate engagements and control space with each deployment. For advanced play, combine Cosmic Divide with Astra's other abilities, like Gravity Well or Nova Pulse, to create devastating combos. Always communicate your wall placement with your teammates to maximize its impact and avoid friendly fire. For more great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Mastering these tips will elevate your Astra gameplay and help your team secure more wins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.